Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Our mission here at the garage is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. What we'll be doing now, explain you bank 1 and bank 2. Now we will have more than 200 videos on this engine. We'll be taking the whole engine apart, rebuilding this kind of engine, so quite a few videos will be made, guys. Our mission here at the shop is to save you as much money as we can by providing free videos. All we need in return, subscribe and a like. Now, looking at the vehicle here, guys, okay, this is on a Dodge Journey, so you can see the engine is facing this way. If you have, let's say, a Charger, Challenger, Jeep Wrangler, the engine will be facing this way. Now, we will explain exactly for both vehicles how that works. Guys, if you want to see the complete video, we're going to put the link in the description of the video below. Check it out. Also check out our YouTube channel. We have thousands of videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching.